Welcome to my YouTube channel. My plan is to discuss the very basics of statistics in this video. Daily, we get lots of information from newspapers and other medias. This information may be on financial situation, health, epidemics, morbidity, mortality, accidents, climatic conditions, sports, stock marketing, and so on. These informations or these facts may be in numerical figures, tables, graphs, etc. These facts or figures, which are collected with a definite purpose, are called data. So, what is data? Data is the plural form of datum. This comes from a Latin word. So, we say data are instead of data is. So, what is data? Data are facts or information collected in fulfillment of the objectives of the research work. Data are facts or information that has been collected to fulfill the objectives of the research work. This data can be collected through a survey, through observation, through experimentation, or by analyzing records or other means. Statistics is about data. Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collection, classification, organization, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. So, statistics is a science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, interpreting numerical data to help in making more effective decisions. Thus, statistics, in addition to collection and presentation of data, interprets the data and draw inferences about the data. Statistical methods are important to draw valid conclusions from the obtained data. Statistical analysis helps to find meaning to the meaningless numbers. For example, if the students are asked to find out the mean of 50 numbers. 50 numbers are given to them and they are asked to find out the mean and standard deviation. They are just numbers. So, once they found out the mean and standard deviation, there is not much meaning in that. We cannot make any inference from that. But hemoglobin values of 50 school children in different age groups are given and asked to find out the mean and standard deviation. The mean and standard deviation is analyzed and is interpreted with different age groups, various other variables like food habits, socioeconomic status, and so on. That gives meaning. The frequency and percentage can be depicted in tables or graphs and interpreted. This will be more meaningful. If the weight of 100 adolescents are taken and entered, it does not give any meaning. But if it is classified, organized, and presented in tables, graphs, or figures, it gives meaning to the data. Inferences and predictions about the variable weight can be done. How many fall in the category of underweight? How many fall in the category of normal weight, overweight, obese? Whether any associated factors are there or how these variable weight is associated with other variables like food habits, food pattern, any illnesses, and so on. Biostatistics. It is a branch of statistics applied to biological and medical sciences like health, medicine, nursing, genetics, epidemiology, biology, nutrition, and so on. Two major areas of statistics are descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. From the term itself, we know descriptive means descriptive in nature, inferential means making inferences. Now we will see what are the important differences between descriptive and inferential statistics with examples. Descriptive statistics describes the characteristics of a data set. It is just descriptive. It describes the properties of the sample and population data. For example, age of the population, age of the sample can be classified like less than 5 years, 6 to 9 years, 9 to 12 years, gender, male, female, others. Inferential statistics uses sample data to make an inference about the population. So from the sample properties, the sample data make an inference about the population. For that, point estimation, interval estimation, hypothesis testing, these are all based on probability theory. Inferential statistics compare data, make hypotheses and predictions. Descriptive statistics organize, summarize, and present data in an informative way. For that, tables can be used, graphs can be used, charts, bar charts can be used, histogram, line graphs. Many ways of depicting the data are available. Then various descriptive measures as averages, mean, measures of variation, standard deviation, and percentiles can be found. Inferential statistics use probability methods for inferential probability methods. So, probability methods are used for inferential statistics. Various parametric and non-parametric tests are there to test the hypothesis. Descriptive statistics do not involve generalizing beyond the data at hand. Inferential statistics makes generalization about the population data by analyzing the samples obtained from it. With an example, I will make this more clear. The researcher is going to study regarding the usage of government hospital facilities in a population. So a panchayat is chosen. The population of the panchayat is 1 lakh. It is difficult to study the whole population in the panchayat. So a small sample of population is taken and studied. Their age, gender, financial status, this can be depicted either in tables or bar charts or pie diagrams can be used. Mean and standard deviation of the sample is calculated. This is descriptive statistics. In inferential statistics, the population parameters are estimated from sample data. That is determining the confidence intervals and margin of errors. So, taking a statistics from the sample data, that is sample mean, and say something about the population parameter, that is population mean. Here, sample mean is used to say something about the population parameter or population mean. Sample data is used to answer the research question. So in hypothesis testing, sample data is used to answer the research question. So whether younger age group, older age group are using more government hospital facilities, or the what are the financial or what is the financial background of the people using government hospital facilities. Like that, inferences can be made from the available sample statistics. These are all very basics of statistics. Next video, more on descriptive and inferential statistics. So detailed description of descriptive and inferential statistics will be discussed in further videos. Thank you.